Hey everyone, Aaron here again from Fast Forward Race Cars. Gonna do some more videos here. We got a new project we're gonna be starting for the shop. And first off, I gotta apologize for not finishing the second video of the Blue Nova that we did. And the reason for that was, well, when we're finishing, we had a customer come in and they ended up wanting the car. We ended up selling it to them. So we have no finish up videos for the car. But the car may come back for some updates and we'll show it to you then. But it turned out real nice and the thing was pretty rowdy for a street car. But anyways, we got a new project here and it's covered up because we're gonna be taking it to get it media blasted on the floor so we can start it. But we're gonna be leaving what's paint is on there, kind of like patina look. This is the new project. It's gonna be street car, but it's gonna be a pretty fast street car and we're gonna do some racing this year with it. Those of you know me know that I sold my other race car, but now I'm getting the itch to go racing again, and so building this car is gonna allow me to do that. This is not gonna be nowhere near as fast as my other car, but it's gonna be plenty fast to get my feet wet into racing again. And those of you that know me know I've been racing for 35 years plus. I've only taken a break twice, and once was when I moved, and the second time was the COVID. When COVID hit, pretty much everybody quit racing. But anyways, this car is gonna hold me over to go racing, and I have another car I'm gonna build after this one that is gonna be my all-out race car. And we'll do a lot of different stuff with that car, and we'll do more videos on that later. But this one here, we're gonna do a video series on this, and to start off, I want you guys to take a look and kind of take a guess on what you think this car is. And whoever guesses it right, the model and the year, I'll give them a free t-shirt, Fast Forward t-shirt. And then I'll show you the engine build too. Actually, we'll go in the engine room, and we're almost done with that. We started that a few weeks ago. Had most of the stuff in-house to do that. It was just a matter of just finding some time to put it together, and we did that over the holidays here. And this whole build will be us working on it nights and weekends because we're pretty busy here at the shop, and we're just going to work on it when we can. But it's not going to be a crazy build. This is going to be more, I would say, bolt together type build. I mean, we're going to put an 850 cage in it. It's going to be a race car, but it's going to be street car too. We're going to drive this thing on the street and do some street car events with it. But it's going to be pretty radical. And guys that know me, they know probably what kind of engine and power adder that will go in it. But we'll go in the engine room, and I'll give you a little sneak peek at that. And we'll do some videos on that as well. But anyways, here's the car. Try to guess what it is. It was a spur of the moment deal when I seen it. I seen it on Marketplace one morning, and I was looking, thing popped up. I messaged the guy. I was the very first person to message him. I loaded up my trailer and I drove out to Iowa and bought it right on the spot and brought it back. It was a crazy deal, but sometimes that's how you got to do it. But I'm excited about this because I've been itching to race, and this is going to get my feet wet again. Being in a race shop, we need to be out there doing it, and I gotta admit, I do miss it. But so here's the car. It's going to media blast. When it comes back, I'll unveil it. I'll show you guys the car. Those who haven't guessed right, I'll send you a shirt. And also, I already got a name for the car too, and I'll explain that on the next video once you see what the car looks like. But it's gonna be pretty neat, It's not gonna be like, not show quality, but it's gonna be pretty cool, All right, so I'm gonna take a walk here into the engine room, and I got my guy Charles here behind the camera, and he's gonna follow me in there. And Charles is, he's not new here, but he's like my apprentice, and he's gonna be doing a lot on this build. He's been helping out a lot here at the shop too. And also too, Marty will be helping us on nights and weekends. So all of us can go racing this year. But I'm gonna take a walk in the engine room and show you the engine, and then you guys can guess what kind of power adder that, or maybe no power adder, I don't know. So there's the engine. Big black Chevy, conventional head. So we just started working on this like 2 weeks ago. Had most of the parts. Gotta thank Bob Book from Book Racing Engines. They got the crankshaft for me, and they did some of the machining for me to help me get this going right away. But yeah, this is it. So you know, you can kind of guess if it's going to be NA, nitrous, blower, turbo, and I'll tell you what, I'll throw a shirt in on that too. You guys guess that. But stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to try to be better at it, to do more videos. And I want to do one for this engine, and then I want to do one for the car too. And then if that Blue Nova comes back, we're going to do a finish up video for that. But other than that, that's it for this video. And thanks again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.